How to fix TikTok search bar not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is update your TikTok app. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then, search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is clear cache for the TikTok app. For that, what you have to do is launch your TikTok app. Navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right, navigate to the option settings and privacy. Now scroll down, head over to the option free up space, click on clear for the option cache, click on clear. If the solution didn't work out for you, what you have to do is head back, go to the settings and privacy page, scroll down, navigate to the option report a problem, scroll all the way down, click on chat with us. You'll be directed to TikTok support page. Now over here you can explain about the issue and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. Mention that TikTok search bar is not working and send it. So these are some fixes for TikTok search bar not working. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.